I am the architect of my life. I build its foundation and choose its contents. Today I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. My body is healthy, my mind is brilliant, my soul is tranquil. I am superior to negative thoughts and low actions. I have been given endless talents, which I begin to utilize each day. I forgive those who have harmed me in my past and peacefully detach from them. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. I am guided in my every step by Spirit, who leads me towards what I must know.